Mail time. Mail
time. Mail time. Mail time. The mail's here.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to wail.
We just got a letter. 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 Wonder who it's from.
Thank you so much, Kim and Riley. This box is full, y'all. To the top. And you're making sure nobody hits in here. You know what, Kim? I need something to snack on right now for this running around. And what do you know? I got some kettle corn. Thank you so much. You know what? I don't even know if I'm supposed to be sharing these with the kids or not. I'm talking about I'm going to snack on them myself. OMG. 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 Thank you, thank you, thank you for sending me some healthy snacks. Did I ever tell you that I like ginger snaps? I just be chatting away in my videos and I don't ever remember what I say and what I don't, but I like snaps. Kim, I don't tie my hair down because I'm just, I guess, lazy. And even when I do tie it down, the scarf come off, so I don't sleep with my hair the way I should. And I need a satin pillowcase. And what do you know? It's a satin pillowcase. Whew. Vitamin C, lots of it. Especially with the winter coming. You see I have my jacket on because it's getting cold. One is orange, one cherry limeade, one elderberry. I hear so much about elderberry and I don't think I ever had elderberry. So I'm excited about trying it. And what do you know? I have the water left over from when I get water from the hospital. And this guy is just staring at me so bad. I should just put him in my video and show how people stare. But I like how you individually wrap these. It's like excitement as I open it and guess what I think it might be. Did you get this from Mexico? I wonder if this got real tequila in it because I'm driving and I want to eat it right now. But I guess even if it do got, yep, ingredients, cocoa tequila. I don't think I get too drunk where I can't drive, right? I hope not. All I taste is coconuts. And I like coconuts. It tastes like the almond, like the mound, I mean. Like the almond joy without the almond. Thank you for the de-stress tea. And there's a card. I'm so backwards. MarMar tells me I'm supposed to read cards first. I read cards last. But hey, it's my way. This gotta be glass. Right, Kim? That's why I can't get into it. It is. And guess what, Kim? I'm so minimalist. I'm so minimalist that if you notice, I've been drinking out of pumpkin spice glass all year round because I just don't buy a whole bunch of stuff. All you need is one glass. Well, I'm tired of looking at that same glass. I got my Tosh Time mug, but I can't drink out of that. That's like for memories. That's like when I sit down and I record a YouTube video I could think about the awesome people I meet through YouTube, and that's where I got your little plaque. God is good, y'all. My other stuff. Man finally got out that was staring at me. I will definitely be keeping calm, drinking my tea out of this glass. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, now on to the card. Isn't it pretty? Y'all want to see what's inside? Okay. Just rip it open. Thinking of you. And it's a happy birthday card.
Been ready all my life.
Son or daughter?
Twins.
One boy, one girl? It's kind of a weird question.
She's saying happy belated birthday. Thank you, Kim, so much. I feel bad because I started out sending out like love mail to people, and I haven't sent no love mail like basically since I decided to go down south. I've still been catching up, and now I got Christmas time coming, and I got things in mind that I want to send people, and I'm like, Christmas time coming up, so I have to wait. I can't like send something now and then be able to send something for Christmas, and I know that y'all don't expect nothing, but it's what I want to do, and if I don't do it, I won't feel good. But I got some things in mind that I want to send to some of y'all. My box of goodies from Kim. Could this be a thumbnail? Like this to the side. Yeah. We go run these errands. I'm keeping this stuff filled to the top. I hope I don't get too drunk while I finish this and drive. And if y'all want to see how awesome the person is that just sent this box, her link is going to be down low. And I will even pin her comment so it should be easier to find. Thank you. I am just a mama 4.